Okay, so this is quite an interesting one. That's literally just finished it today. Is this area here? I did an earlier video when we were starting it. Basically, it drops down two sides, either side here, and then there's an area across the bottom. Basically, we've had to net across here. So the netting goes across this area here, comes down along the top there, over this plant area, down the sides. We've had to close off with 50mm weld mesh. Apologies for the quality of the video. So it comes down over this area here. This is the first gate that we've installed. This goes up and around. Through here, we're back in now the area that's now closed off. Across here, this is the next gate area that's gone in. Again, closing off underneath with the mesh. Drops down into that area there, across here, and up and over there.